this is ready to boil. Oh snap, what am I looking at? Heat. Whoa, yeah. Uh-oh, yeah. I'm in the short sleeve. It's 67 degrees. And I came how many miles? 404 miles. I drove 404 miles south. Want to know what's crazy? I was in Toledo, Ohio last night. And this morning when I woke up, I had a headache because this part of my face, just this part, was exposed. And it was so cold that when I woke up, I don't know how you have a headache. How you have a headache in your face, but that part of my face was killing me. I need a kitchen bag, but we gonna improvise today. I got the most jackleg setup for a kitchen you'll ever see. But I'm gonna try to make something tonight. See if anybody could guess. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Use some of these. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we about to get it in. I don't know how this is going to turn out because it's kind of hard for me to get an angle to get y'all right to do it, but you don't need to see me. We're going to go through my jackleg cooking process and see if we can make some fried rice. I hope I got enough gas to do it all. But let's get it in. First thing we do is hook up the stove. Stove, check. It's the rice. Because it's instant, all I gotta do is cook it, let it sit for a little bit. So let me work on that. I got this little bowl. I got a measuring cup, but it's a little small. So I'm gonna use this. It should work. Hope it's big enough. Let's go get some water. Water check. So it's 1 to 1. So I put 1 cup of this, then I'm gonna put 1 thing of that rice. But for now, let's get this fire on. This thing works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook the rice up. And when it's done boiling, the bowl will get back. I'll get back. Right? I'm gonna tell you right now, when you got this little cookware set, they don't play around. Real time, that's been less than 2 minutes, and this is ready to boil. Oh snap! What am I looking at? Oh crap! Didn't see that coming. Really? Yeah. Didn't see that coming. Yeah. Now all you do is put it in and turn it off. Mix it up a little bit. Put the lid on. Turn it off. I'm hoping I'm doing that the way it's supposed to be done, because that's the way I always do it, but I'm going to read the directions now and make sure. Ratio of rice 1:1. Boil, ready in 10 minutes. Place rice in container, add 1 cup. Cover and let stand for 10 minutes. Woo! I did it right. I actually waited a half hour because I don't want the rice too hot. Because when you make fried rice and the rice is too hot, don't come out right. So right now, I'm gonna get this egg prepared to fry it up. I had 2 of those cups. I'm just using the other one. I actually like to add my black pepper now. Old truck stop. I go to McDonald's, take ketchup, black pepper, salt. We got enough black pepper now. So, let's take a plastic fork. Let's whip this egg up. A little secret too. The longer you whip it, the fluffier it'll get. So I'm going to whip it up a little bit. Prepare this pan. Just a dash of oil in it. That should be enough to cook the egg and help the ingredients stick to the rice. I'm gonna take this off now because I'm gonna whip this egg for a few more minutes. So I get back. Here we go, y'all. Let's this is called jack-leg fried rice. Let's get it popping. Heat. Whoa. Let's heat this oil up. All right, let's heat this oil up. I gotta hold this tray because it gets so, without weight, I can't do nothing. But just like that, the oil's hot. Whoa. They cook fast, boy. It's coming out all right, though. I wish I could show y'all, but my camera angles are terrible. That cooks fast. I'm about to pull that off. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my rice. About half of that. Looking good. Put my chicken powder now. Not too much. Plenty. Now we're gonna get it back on the flame and add the soy. I like it's heavy on soy. You know what I can already tell? I get a shot on it. This is gonna be delicious. I'm on it. Let's finish up. I actually think I'm good with that because I actually think I'm good with that because the rice was still hot. It really didn't have to heat up. But I don't know. I think it did pretty good with it. I ain't even taste it yet. But I'm happy. I like it. I like it. We'll look at it again. Hey everybody. Welcome back to Jack Leg Kitchen. But I'm gonna see how it works. I bought some dumplings. I had them thawing out for maybe 40 minutes. But I got a sandwich maker. Now I'm wondering, and then put it over the heat? What do you think? I don't know, but guess what? We're going for it. I don't know about y'all. I think that's going to turn out all right. We're going to close that up. I think that's going to be all right. Got me 6 little dumplings. We're going to throw them up on this heat. See if we can get them to thaw out. Let's do it. I'll just keep rotating them. Because once this thing gets hot, it should heat them up. I'm going to just keep rotating them like every couple of minutes. I'm going to keep flipping them side to side. And when they're done, we're going to see, and I'll get back. Uh-oh, y'all. Back at Jack Leg Kitchen. Dumplings. Can you see them? Ooh, I got the Jack Leg camera too. Just flip them over. See what this other side look like. Ooh, I think they might be alright, y'all. But we're going to go a couple more minutes. And then I'm going to plate this thing up. I think we having Chinese in the back of the van. Thank you for tuning in to Jack Leg Kitchen. This is Jay Folks, and I'm out here. Do you see that? Can you hear that? Look at that, y'all. Jack Leg Kitchen got it done. We got vegetable dumplings along with some fried rice. Whoo, your boy about to get it in, y'all. He about to get it in. Got my little Jack Leg Kitchen set up. But you know what? Dinner served. Jack Leg Kitchen. got fried rice, vegetable fried dumplings. I'm gonna bang this out, and I'm gonna go in the truck stop, take me a shower, wash my hair, shave. But let's start by giving a taste. I know I made it, and I know I'm just saying that, but what? It's better than I thought. Not too salty from that soy sauce. Oh my goodness. Let's go in on this dumpling. Yeah. They hot. Jack Lake Kitchen. My son said, Pop, you need to cook. They like that. Well, we're gonna find out because this is really good. For cooking this the way I cooked it and where I cooked it. Let's look at the char. Look. Look at the char on that dumpling. Boy, Emerald Hill. J. Folks. I think the soy that came with the dumplings got some ginger in it. So, we're going to add a little bit. And we'll see. But, this is really good. I'm enjoying this. Wow. Way better than I thought. Jack Lake Kitchen. I'm gonna get me a better setup. I'll wash my hair. I'm gonna get me a better setup. I cook all the time. But this Jay Folks, and I'm signing off from Jack Lake Kitchen. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. And just in case you're wondering, 9 out of 10.